If your Apex Legends looks like this, dull, washed out, and hard on the eyes, stop. In this video, I'm going to transform the colors to make them more vibrant, sharper, and most importantly, make enemies much easier to spot. First, you need to install the NVIDIA overlay. Then, just follow my settings right here. Press Alt+Z on your keyboard, then go to the Game Filter option below. After that, add brightness and contrast and adjust the settings like this. Next, add another filter, RTX Dynamic Vibrance, and adjust the settings like this as well. Once everything is set, you can close the NVIDIA overlay by pressing Alt+Z again. Now take a look at the result. You'll have a much better looking Apex Legends than before. Try these settings and let me know in the comments, did it make your game look better? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Apex tips.
Incoming artillery. Sweet silence.
Reloading.
Here's a sink. Recharging my shield.
I cracked an Scottish shield. Reloading. I am taking fire. I downed a hostile. I took an enemy's life. Look to your map. I am Kill Leader, a humble servant of the gods. Recharging my shields.
Killing and drilling.
Have the benefits. We are inside the ring.
Half
Target
the
over
squad's
there.
still alive. It's monarchy in the Salvation way.
I am taking fire.
Adversary near me.
Rickable
I
fired
cracked
up.
an Scottish shield.
Enemy right here. Enemy very
Killed an
close.
enemy. Drilling
I
through.
need help. Adversary over there.
Broken enemy's shield. A lead to our enemy. Let us fall. I have fallen. Contact.
Took down an enemy. Killing and drilling. Break shield. Keep shooting at me. On your feet. Got it there. I'm Kill Leader. Been taking those eggs to the cleaners, eh? Being shot at.
Healing my wounds. I downed an adversary. Hold on, let me help you. I'm helping. Cover me.
Taking a
That's
moment
what you're
to heal.
supposed to say, right?
Attention. Delivering replicator.
The Syndicate promised I'd die in
Look,
here.
it's raining
So far, they
replicators.
suck at keeping promises. Recharging my shields, Guzzy.
1 minute remains. The ring is closed.
I spotted an
Healing my
enemy.
wounds.
Engaging the enemy. Reloading.
2 enemy squads left. Let's make a meal out of those eggs.
Oh, Father, give me sight.
Just topping off my shields.
1 squad left. Time flies when you kill it.
Eye of the storm.
Fancy it. We're already inside.
I found a hostile.
I took out an enemy. Unnecessary evil to win. Just topping off my shields.
Took out a hostile. Marking our surroundings.
You are the Apex champions.